Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat your location not found. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat your location not found, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you click here. Then in this window of app info, you will go to click first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.